What's up people, man right here coming to you with a video. This time we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Cook's glass 1.7 liter kettle. It has key features of this thing are there's 1500 watts of power, auto shut off, and the base rotates 360 degrees. If you look on the side, it also has a lime scale filter, which is easy to clean also. Borosilicate glass, extremely durable with high heat, 1.7 liter capacity, safe to boil 7.2 cups of water, and blue LED power indicator, swivel base, and of course the base. Let's get started with the unboxing. Right out the back we have the owner manual of this thing, and has basic information, cord information, let's see, safety information, so that is good. The cover, and right out the back, it's a heavy kettle. There is nothing else in the box, and as always it has the two prongs for the connector. It actually fits into your regular kitchen outlet, so you don't need anything special. Going to take that off. That is the base, and one copper contact point, and nice stainless steel bezel on the side. The cord does have the base where it can go in, and the cord size is about 3 feet. Now for the unboxing. Voila! It does have the logo, and I'm going to remove it very gently. Guess this is what you guys and girls want. Smooth as silk. It does have the liter marking right on the line. It has a minimum level right here, the 1 liter mark, and the maximum fill line. And the back part is clickable, and it's a push button opening, so push it and it opens. It also has a removable plastic filter. Personally, I will not recommend to use a plastic filter with high heat environment, but it's Bpa-Free. Because it's Bpa-Free, it's okay, I guess. Now time to put this to a test. Step 1, I'm going to plug this into a GFS safe outlet. Remember, if you're using any device or any electrical device that does use water, make sure to plug it into a GFS safe outlet. So I'm going to fill that up to the max line, then we're going to be timing it, how long it takes for it to boil it. And one quick note, it does have a soft rubber bezel around the side, so I guess it seals everything in. And here we go. So 77 degrees for the water. Once it's done boiling, I'll see what the temperature is. And yep, the water has come to a roaring boil now. Yep, it has really come to a roaring boil. That's a proper boil. And yes, lap 6 minutes for a roaring boil. Alright, on the temperature test, the water did boil to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, which is extremely hot, more than enough that you can use for any application. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the description or the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you out. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys and girls on the next one. Later, people.